Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your earnings with Airbnb, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your earnings with Airbnb, start by setting clear house rules. Clearly outline expectations for guests regarding noise, cleanliness, and check-in/checkout times. Next, consider implementing a security deposit. This deposit can cover damages or extra cleaning fees if needed. Be sure to review your cancellation policy. Choose one that offers you adequate protection while remaining appealing to guests. Implement a thorough vetting process for potential guests. Review guest profiles, ratings, and past reviews before accepting bookings. Use Airbnb's built-in protections. This includes their host guarantee and host protection insurance. Make sure that your property is well maintained. Regular maintenance can prevent unexpected damages and issues during guest stays. Consider investing in insurance that covers short-term rentals. This goes beyond what Airbnb offers and can provide peace of mind. Use clear communication with your guests. Be prompt and professional in addressing inquiries and issues. Lastly, stay updated on local laws and regulations regarding short-term rentals. Compliance can protect you from fines and shutdowns. By following these steps, you can safeguard your Airbnb earnings while providing a positive experience for your guests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.